Jay, what are you doing here?
Diyan ba si Kiefer?
Sorry, he's not home.
Did something happen?
She was just looking for you.
Just don't say anything that's gonna make her worry.
Sure.
Sorry, Jay. Hey, Jay.
Ikaw pala yung mapapangasawa ng anak ko? Sure. Ano nangyari sa'yo? Saan ka nagaling?
I missed you.
Ano nga palang ginagawa mo dito, Keeper?
I came to see JJ. He will be my best man. No, he will be my best man.
Ano pag-uusapan natin, David?
Keeper. Don't touch me. Don't come any closer, Jay. I might hurt you.
Sabihin mo na kasi yung totoo! Huwag mo ako tuksan si Keeper. Sasabihin din naman niya eh.
Anong plano yung sinasabi niyo?
You sure you want to hear it?